Okay, we got our 4 celebrities over here. Connor might come in. I got my ER order. Look at this box, you guys. Look how huge it is compared to their bodies. It's a massive one. My husband wanted to do an unbox, but he didn't have time. So I got it last Wednesday, the day after I left for my trip. Okay, so you guys want to unbox the ER order this month? I would love to see what you guys got, or we got as a family. This is
the big Ninja Red.
Okay, so this is called. Okay, so we got 4 of the Ninja Red. We can't wait to put that in, and these come with it, the 30 pack. This is the best way to buy. Yep, I actually bought that for my friend.
Oh.
Hey, Alyssa. So my friend, I added this onto the order. She wanted to try these. So always have your friends, if they want to add on to your order, you get your points for an ER order. But this right here, really quick, hold on, Andrew. These are the Ninja Red Essential Rewards order. It's the best bang for your buck to get 4 of the bottles with the 30 Ningxia. We are saving these for a vacation trip, and then we use the bottles in the house. Okay. So this is my very first time. You have to come over here with the lighting. Juva Spice is a thing that I have been wanting to buy for years, and I haven't gotten it. So you can throw it on your popcorn. My friend throws it on her salads. She says it's tasteless, but it's a good nutrient. I'm gonna have to read more on it. I don't know a ton about it. If you guys know about Juva Spice, let me know. Okay, let's see what she got. Hold on. Yep, just one sec. We also we ran out of our shampoo. We like to put this in a foam soap pump to make it last longer. I do about this much in the foam soap pump and then fill the rest with water, and then the kids pump it, or you can just use a little bit. Hey, Lynette!
We also got the Copaiba Vanilla conditioner, which I love.
Copaiba Vanilla. You guys learn about Copaiba. It's a moisturizer for your hair, and I have so many friends on our team who got me into this. And we are out of our conditioner for our lavender peppermint, which is my favorite. So I got this one for the girls and us. Hey, Lynette. Okay, who else? Okay, Andrew, Sleek Tea. This is, I like to give out birthday cards and thinking of you gifts. This is what I like to give. So it's an easy way to send something, and it's delicious, and it curbs your appetite. Okay, what did you get over here?
These are stickers.
Look at the sticker labels.
And caps.
If you do not have the sticker labels, it's an easy way to put right on top of your lids so you can see it in your drawers. I give these as gifts as well. And these are the roller tops. So I do make and takes. I like to give these to new members to help them with rollers. Hey, Kristen. So this, you guys, if you do not have the Aroma Glide Fitments, just type in Aroma Glide, or you can type in Fitment and you might have that. It's amazing. Okay, what else did we get? Oh, yes. I got a lot of these. No, not those ones. I got a lot of these at convention, and I'm excited that we have a restock here. Thank you. I got my little helpers here. These, I take one every day, you guys, and my body stays healthy. I love them. Right before I go work out, I have a fresher breath. So it's like my breath mint, to be honest with you. Okay. Thanks to Tammy. She's been telling me that her family loves this one. I've been using the other one, and I'm excited to use this. I actually like it. Now, it took me a while, but I'm loving this as my deodorant. And Bryn, you started using this one too, right? Or the other one? The blue one, I think. I can't remember. Okay, what else did we get?
These 3 oils.
Oh
so
my goodness,
clove,
you guys.
Lemon, and...
Clove, lemon, and... Do you know how to say that one? Okay, we won't make a sound so they can hear us.
Geranium.
And geranium. So clove, you guys, is super inexpensive. It's good to numb, like if you have some issues in your mouth. Clove is huge for your immune system, and I love to diffuse clove and orange in the fall season, but I use this one a lot actually to help build my immune system. I'll throw it on my kids' feet at night. You guys, geranium is magic. When I was at my friend's house, Christy on our team, my daughter was bleeding on her heel right here. Ashley, she's upstairs getting ready for a girls' camp. Right here, it would not stop. I put a drop of this on it and it stopped instantly. So it was quite a magical experience. If you have any nose issues, geranium's amazing. The time of the month, if you want lighter, happier periods, I'm telling you, get that geranium on. Put on your inner thigh, lower abdomen, lower back. It's amazing. What was the other oil? Oh, lemon. You can't go wrong with lemon. It can get sticky stuff off. I use this all the time. Look at my boys. If you have boys who like boxes, they're going to make maybe an airplane out of that or something. Okay. Oh, good. I'm glad you got geranium. It's an amazing one. So lemon is used for everything. Okay. Look at you guys. I always maximize my orders so I can get the free stuff. I got over $200 free in product this month. So I did place my 400 PV order because I don't go to Target or Walmart or Meijer to buy my deodorant or my toothpaste or my shampoo and conditioner or my lozenges. I just buy it straight from Young Living. And these are the free oils that we got. You want to tell us which ones you have, Bryn?
So this is a Vitality Orange.
Orange. Do you like orange, Bryn?
Yeah, it's
Yes.
one of those citrus.
Yes, she likes citrus oils. What
and
else?
then I've never used this, but it's called Roman
Chamomile. So it's a calming oil. So we'll have to let her smell that one and try that one. And Amelia, tell us which one. I have them for the next 3 days. Their mom and sister went on a mission trip. We're excited to Haiti. Okay, so what oils did we get free here?
Lavender,
Cypress,
citronella, lemongrass, and
M-grain. So we got all of that free. So I was able to restock the oils. This is our Swiss Army knife. I use this every night on my face. You can use this and put it as a makeup remover with some coconut oil if you want. This, my kids don't even know what Neosporin is anymore. We just use this for any kind of owie and a Band-Aid. Cypress is great for circulation, and it's also part of the raindrop. It's a very calming essential oil. My husband loves that with peppermint. Citronella, you guys know what citronella is used for. Those outdoor annoyances, you can throw this in your diffuser. You can throw it on your body. But there's so many more. Dee on our team, Paveda, said, you gotta look up citronella. It's way more than just for outdoor annoyances. So please, research citronella. I love the smell of citronella. It's in our purification one as well. It's a great one. Lemongrass I love to put on my tummy if I feel like I'm overeaten. Lemongrass is also good for your veins and your legs. It's very refreshing. I don't really care for lemon in my diffuser. It's not strong enough for me. So guess what I like? Lemongrass, because it smells like lemon. And M-grain is great for clarity or for when you deal with those occasional, actually people who deal with chronic head tension, this is great for as well. But it also is good for clarity. What are the other, and we already talked about those. Yeah. So this ends our ER order. I will take a picture of all the ER order. If there's something that you would like to try, let me know. There's the Ningxia Red. I can't let you try the Nitro because it's not mine. It's my friend's. But if you do want to try a sample of the Juva Spice, or if you want to try a sample of any of these, I will do a drawing tomorrow morning for any of the other samples. Even if you haven't tried one of these, if you want to try the Aroma Fitment as a sample, but I'm not giving away these as a sample. Well, actually, if you want to try this as a sample and you win, you can get this. I don't mind giving away one of those free. So, oh, thank you, Carrie. She said citronella is great for body. Order 2, ran out of deodorant and just put a drop on my armpit. Oh my gosh, thank you. And please comment below of any of these products that are your favorite, but please share what you would like to try, and I'll do a drawing tomorrow morning. Bye. Thanks for all these amazing helpers.
We lost one.
Yeah, we lost one to the Young Living box.